Привет, меня зовут Анита, сегодня я вещаю из кружка. Это мой видео-дневник, где я говорю на английском, чтобы практиковать его и не забывать. And today's background is my bathroom. Yeah, guys, I'm hiding in my bathroom because I want to be alone and in the quiet, so it is what it is. I skipped a day yesterday and don't feel great about this, but I just had my digital detox and also did have a chance, not really, to record it even in the bubbles. I'm doing this because it's actually easier, because when I have time I just switch on my camera. Sorry, I was looking at my nails. So I just switch on my camera and do it, and it's a bit easier in terms of the setting because you don't see much of what's going on around me. You just see my head, and that's exactly what I need. So digital detox, that's what I'm planning to speak about today. I don't know where to start from. Okay, so I've decided to cut down on my screen time because lately I've been feeling like I'm a slave to my phone. I guess we all are at some point, but I've been unhappy about this, and I noticed that since I spend a lot of time home and I spend a lot of time with my boy, he doesn't speak, so I sort of have to entertain myself. I often have my AirPod in my ear, and I just constantly listen to some podcasts, to some videos, to some whatever. Actually, I just always have this incoming flow of information and I don't like it because it sometimes feels like I don't have my own thoughts. I just have thoughts and ideas put into my head directly from someone else. On the one hand, it's great because you learn some things. On the other hand, it's not great because I don't have the time to process it. I don't let my brain get bored and process this information. It just constantly keeps receiving more and more, and I decided to change it just to see how it affects my mood and my productivity. Also, I noticed that I'm even today I tried to keep my phone away as much as possible. So even today I feel like I did more things around the house, because when I'm listening to something, I have to spend some time looking for something to listen to. Then you switch VPN on and off. Once one episode is over, you need to choose another one. So it's and you also need to take your phone with you to sometimes put the video on hold. You see what I mean? You just always have to have your phone on you. And today, since I was trying to not to touch it as much as I usually do, I managed to do more things, and I see it has potential, so I'm gonna keep practicing this. Also, one rule that I'm trying to implement into my life is no phone in the morning. Like 1 hour after waking up, you don't touch your phone. I don't touch my phone. Did it today, loved it, gonna continue, and will keep you up to date. Keep you posted. Forgot the word. And I shared my concern and my idea with one of my friends, and she was like, "Oh, I'm constantly on my phone too. Show me your screen time. Let's compare." And I opened my screen time, and I was horrified. Like, you see, no, that's not good. I know it's the average amount. Like you see that sometimes it's less, I spend less time on the phone, but it's a lot. And you know what scares me most? It's that I don't work at the moment. I do a little, but that doesn't even take me an hour a day. It's horrible. I mean, look at this. How I'm not living. I'm just I'm stuck to my phone all the time. So I'm changing it. I wonder, what's your average screen time? Don't hesitate to share in the comments. Now the baby's asleep. I'm going to do my workout and then chillax. I hope I get to record another video tomorrow during the day, not in the evening sitting in my bathroom. So thank you for watching. Bye.